Hi, William Mystery here, preparing you for excellence. And over the years, I've actually had the privilege of working with companies of all sizes, from startups to multinational corporations. And one insight that consistently emerges from my coaching and accountability sessions is the surprising benefit of adopting a loosely defined governance structure. Now, you might wonder why flexibility in governance could be advantageous. So, from my experience, when companies allow for a bit of fluidity in their governance, they actually empower innovation. They will be able to make quick decisions as well and adapt in fast changing markets. Now, this doesn't mean chaos. Rather, it means setting up a framework that can evolve with the company's growth as well as market demands. Now, what I want to do is I want to share the 5 essential steps to establish this framework for implementation. The first that you need to do is identify core values and mission. Even with a loose structure, clarity on what the company stands for is crucial. Now, this acts as your North Star, guiding decisions when formal policies might be lacking. So, the second point I want to share with you is define key roles and responsibilities. Now, while roles might overlap, knowing who's responsible for what prevents confusion. And what happens is this particular step ensures accountability while allowing for role flexibility as needed. The third is establish a minimalistic policy framework. And here what we are doing is we are talking about setting up basic guidelines rather than extensive rule books. And let me give you a couple of examples. A privacy policy, a code of conduct, or maybe safety standards. And what happens is this basically keeps the bureaucracy manageable but ensures compliance where it truly matters. Next is implement a regular review processes. Here what we do is we gather feedback from all levels of the organization. Now this step is actually very vital because it allows the governance structure to basically evolve. And we are not rigidly stuck. We adapt based on what's working and what's not. And finally, my dear friends, encourage a culture of open communication. What you need to do is, in a loosely structured environment, trust and transparency are basically paramount. And regular town halls, open forums, or digital platforms where ideas can flow freely ensures that everyone feels involved and contribute to the whole entire governance framework. Now, what I believe is by following these steps, companies can maintain the agility that modern business environments demand while still having the guidance to steer through growth and changes. And remember, a loosely defined governance structure isn't about less control, it's about smart control that grows with your company. I hope this helps.